Here's an app called Card.io Running and Walking Tracker. So this app is kind of like gamified fitness experience where you can claim your city on your run. It's the ultimate gamified fitness game that transforms outdoor cardio into a thrilling team-based turf war. Perfect as a run tracker, workout app, a mile tracker, Cardio makes every step count. Featured on Shark Tank, is your gateway to fun, fitness, and friendly competition. So connect with friends, claim your turf. So turn your outdoor cardio, running, walking, or biking into city-wide turf war. Track your progress, rise up the ranks, earn real rewards. So let's just open it up, and so that's what you have. And then you can just go and sign up here with Apple. And then you can just create. Then you can just choose a team. Like you can just join. You can find different communities, and then you can just create the user, and then move through turf to claim it for you and your team. Run in a loop. Choose a loop to claim more turf, and then you can level up. Then there is energy, and then you can connect your Strava, you can connect Garmin, and then there is yearly, then there is monthly, and kind of like gamified fitness. And then here you can basically start running, start your run, set up your profile, and then you will see how many blocks you're owning, like attacking or defending. Basically, the more you run, the more blocks you're attacking, and the more like territory you own. And then you can see your rating, you can see how much XP you have, you can see the routes. Then you can refer friends, invite friends to your and beat. So basically that's what you can, how you can invite people in here. So kind of like gamified fitness app, similar to, there is like a Levels fitness app, and there are some others. So quite cool. I think this app is only available in US, in some big cities in US. So that's a bit annoying, but there you have it.